It was just 10 days, like I was panicking and I was scared. आता मी गोंयान आसा सो आमकां चड एक्सपोजर मेळना. कंपनीज लायक वेदांता बी क्लोज्ड आसा. I have preferred to take my higher studies in Australia since my name is Sia Dilip Virnekar. I am from Margao, Goa. I have completed my Bachelor's of Science in Geology from Parvati Bai Chogule College of Arts and Science.
My name is Dilip Ramnath Virnekar. I am from Borda, Margao, Goa. My child has got admission in Australia.
I want to be a geoscientist. I will be pursuing Masters of Geoscience, a major in mining and exploration geology. There are different technologies which are applicable and which are not present in India. So I wanted to pursue my higher education in Australia. Main point to be highlighted, the Curtin University. Yes, it is worldwide ranking of 183 and for our field of subject it is ranking top 5. So yes, I want to take my higher education at the top class universities. When you take education in India, especially in Goa, you are not well recognized with the people. Taking an international exposure can help me to recognize and improve my CV, especially through LinkedIn, and connect with the people worldwide. Actually, my sister had a dream to take a higher education in Australia. So when she told my dad about it, my dad easily got convinced. I just told him I also want to be with her there because I have seen her struggles, now how she is making her life better and she is very self-dependent and I also want to be like her. So I told my parents and my dad easily got impressed.
म्हणजे माझी व्हडले चेडूं आसा पळय तेजी फुलफील ड्रीम्स आसले तितले तेका धाकले भयणीचे पुणे करपा जाय.
I came to Sir Jaden. He guided me very well with the documentation process. I answered the IELTS exam and got my results soon in a quicker day. Then I scored 6.5 band overall. After that, I applied to the university. I received an unconditional offer letter which guided me to provide further documents. There are GS interview also, genuine student intention. I filled up the form. While doing that, the key importance to be highlighted, there are numerous students who are applying for that same course. But what makes you stand out is you need to research about your university. Through LinkedIn, I have been very online and active. I have seen that their professors are like having conversation, conferences. You need to be there. You need to read their research paper so that you can get an idea. So you can share that with the Australian embassy. Like, yeah, I have been the exposure. I have seen the professors. They feels that yeah, the student is very genuine. And for me, they didn't even took the interview because I got qualified for my writings only. There was no interview conducted, so directly I got enrollment. I got the offer, but that was at the deadline, like on 12th of February. I was panicking. I called Ma'am Kimberly and Sir Jadel, like, I think so it's not happening, but still in the end, I received an email that yes, I'm successfully enrolled in the course. Thereafter, I tried with my visa application where Ma'am Sweezel and Sir Bruno helped me a lot with the application. I filed the application, but it was too late, like it is in January, and I was scared because my college is starting in 16th of February. I received a notification. I just opened my phone, like visa is granted. It was just 10 days, like can't imagine. The visa takes literally 6 weeks to come, but still like in 10 days, it's just a miracle. Unbelievable. The process was so smoothly conducted. My dad was also sleeping. He just shocked and woke up and like, yes, really? So yeah, that was the moment. My mother was also happy and I called my sister from Australia like, yes, I received the visa. I'm coming soon to you. We went across many companies to make my application and we were confused like getting an Australian visa is very difficult. So yeah, I came to office and approached to Sir Jaden. Sir Jaden was very kind, polite. Like he was like, तू भिना का तुझे सदाच जातले चितना का
ऑफिस सुद्धा खबर ना
आमको ऑफिस सुद्धा खबर ना. I called Sir Jaden. Sir Jaden was like, yeah, come immediately. I will have a conversation with you, like career guidance. So like I was very happy. So I came to office. Then Sir told me like this documents are required.
इतलो बिझी असता.
Every time he used to come to office, Sir was very busy. Like he used to go to Georgia, Tbilisi for guiding other students also. So still he used to pick up my call, answers my query. Even though I was like like in tensions, he always managed me like, Siya, asa tu bina ka. Viupachi garas na. This
Siya,
was the
bina
iconic dialogue, like I was in tension, but he managed me well. I chose Travico because their reputation reviews I have seen and seen reels, especially like they always been connected with students, even though if they are small query, they have always been there. I'm very grateful for my parents and my sister, especially my father, who always be with me every difficult situation for getting documents, single documents. Wherever I go, he always been a supportive part, as well as my sister who gives me a moral support, and my mother who always motivates me and there with me. So I'm very grateful to them. Secondly, I'm grateful to Sir Jaden, Ma'am Kimberly, Ma'am Sweezel and Sir Bruno for making my admission process so smoothly. आता मी गोंयान आसा, सो आमकां चड एक्सपोजर मेळना. हांव जिओलॉजी शिकता, मायनिंग कंपनीज लायक वेदांता बी क्लोज्ड आसा, सो वी शूड थिंक आउट ऑफ बॉक्स. थंयच गोंयान रावून आपले फ्रेंड्स बरोबर रावले म्हणजे तुका मेळना तसो एक्सपोजर. सो तूं थिंक आउट ऑफ बॉक्स केलें न्ही की तुका खूब बरें दिसता आनी तूं दुसऱ्यां बरोबर सुद्दां कनेक्ट जावन तूं तुका ग्रो करता आनी तूं यू कॅन बी इंडिपेंडंट असो. सो येस,
हें सांगपाक सोदता की म्हाका 2 चलयो आनी ती दोनूय चलयो आतां एकटेक भायर धाडल्या आनी दुसरेकूय हांव भायर धाडटा. कित्याक लागून हांवें इन फूल कॉन्फिडन्स वीथ माय चायल्ड. तांकां धाकटी आसतना तेंचे शिकयलां तितलेंय ती शिकल्या. तांकां जाय तसो हांवें सपोर्ट केला. तेंचे जे क्वेशन क्वेरीज एवरीथींग तेंचे हांवें सॉल्व केला. म्हणजे तुमी खंयच्या तुमच्या भुरग्याक तसो सपोर्ट करचो. पेरंट सपोर्ट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर अ चायल्ड. तेन्नाच ती भुरगीं मागीर मुखार सरता. भुरग्यां आपणें मुखार सरपाक सपोर्ट करपाक जाय.
people never believed that I can do it. My family have shown a belief and a hope in me that I will do it, and I'm very thankful to them for having a trust in me that nobody had. And yes, I'm thankful to God too. Thank you, Travico.